Man, finally it's here. Nintendo World Championship NES Edition Deluxe Set. Now, this came out July 18th. I did a pre-order from Best Buy. It's gonna be shipped to me. Hey, okay, cool. I work out of town, no problem. It'll be home before I get there. No, it was supposed to be delivered Saturday the 20th. Guess what? They use UPS. UPS take their time. They don't deliver on Sunday. So guess what? Expect to deliver Saturday. Nope, it won't be here till Monday. So I just went to the store and purchased it. Fine with me. I hate when they use UPS. So now what we're gonna do is this is an unboxing, show what's inside the box. So of course, you got your trophy, the Mario, Kirby, Excitebike, Zelda, your little characters on the front, on the side, NES Edition World Championship on the other side. On the bottom, you have your information about how many people can play, everything like that, playing online. This is for the Nintendo Switch. Then on the back, it tells you, test your skills. Tells you what's included, 150 plus challenges, 13 NES games. Gives a little preview at the top. I can't wait to see what this game is like. So of course, what's included is the game. You got a replica game pack from the NES Championship that they used to have. You have a pen set, a collector's pen set, and you have art cards. So that being said, this is my favorite game, Blitz 99. That being said, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Fresh box, slice it, and go over and show you what comes inside the box. Then my next video, I'm gonna pick a couple challenges and just play them on camera and see how that goes. Let me get this. I hate how those interlock. There we go. Got it. I hate how it interlocks right there. I like to keep my boxes so it be in good condition if I decide to sell it. So bow, open up. Here we go. See that gold cartridge? Looks good. Gonna pull this out, get everything out the box. So first we'll start with, that feels like the game. We're gonna see, put that to the side. Nope, that's not the game. Here's the game right here. NES World Championship Nintendo for Nintendo Switch. Sit that up there. You got your old school sleeve and you got that gold cartridge. World Championship NES Edition Nintendo. And then on the back of it says Nintendo. And then it just have your items that you can get while playing the game in Mario. The key, the leaf, balloon, Zelda sword, mushroom. You got your the podiums 1, 2, and 3. Things like that. So I'm gonna keep that inside here. Put this back in the slot. Like that. Sit that up top. And then we have this NES Edition, whatever that is. I'm gonna sit this to the side, open that in a little bit, get this last piece out the box. Oh, that's nice. Plexiglass clear. You see, it says Nintendo right here. Now, I'm guessing that's a stand for this. Yep. I'm not gonna take this cartridge out the bag. I'm gonna leave it in there. I wish the bag was sealed, but this clear plexiglass right here is a stand. Sit the cartridge in, it slides right in like that. That's pretty cool. Put that back in. Now let's open these. After seeing everything else that I've done, that I pulled out, I'm guessing this is either the card set or the pen set. And slowly open that so I can reseal it back, because I'm gonna leave everything in the packaging. This is for me personal. I'm not gonna sell this, so it doesn't matter. Take a picture. I'm gonna have it on my Instagram and stuff like that. And then put it right back where it came from, right in the plastic. Sit that to the side. So the first NES box that we open up is not sealed, so that's a good thing. Pop, pop. It's hard to open. Okay, this is the pin set. Pretty cool. World Championship NES edition Nintendo. So we got the Mario, we got Zelda, Donkey Kong, and I don't know what this one is at the bottom. Pretty cool 5-piece pin collector set. Pretty sure these are gonna be on sale on eBay or something like that. Somebody's gonna get rid of theirs. So that's the pin set that comes inside the box. Next, open this up again. It's plastic taped right there. Slowly pull it open. Like I said, I'm gonna reseal this and just put it up for collecting purposes. Throw that to the side. And right here we have a slot, so I gotta be careful with this just so it don't rip. Yeah, it locks in, but slowly, there we go. This the card deck. So first card, Super Mario Brothers for NES #1. Then on the back, you got Mario. Card 2, Legend of Zelda. Boo! You have Zelda. Card 3, Metroid, however you say it. On the back, you got Metroid. Now, I wasn't big into playing that game, but after pulling that card, seeing that card, the art on that card, brings me back to the pin set. That's Metroid. Just to verify. And I didn't know what that was because I never really played that game. Next card we have, Donkey Kong. And if I might add real quick to go back, I just noticed this. In the corner, it tells you what style game it is. So Mario is an action series. Zelda, it doesn't have one for Zelda. And then Metroid, it says Adventure Series in the bottom corner. So then, with the Donkey Kong, it says Arcade Series. So flip that over, Donkey Kong on the back. So these cards, these art cards have two sides. So if you display them, you can use either side. Kid Icarus in the corner, it says it's an Adventure Series. Flip it over, you got Kid Icarus. The next card up, Super Mario Bros. 2. This one don't have a decal in the corner. Flip it over, you got Mario with the beat. Next card, Excite Bike. I like that game. In the corner, it's a programmable series. I like this game. Flip it over, you got that podium. 1, 2, 3. Next up, Ice Climber. I never really played this game, but after this, I'm gonna try it out. In the corner, this is an action series game. Flip it over, you got him busting some ice. Next card, Balloon Fight. I never really played that either. It's an action series game. Flip it over, you got him with the balloons floating up. Next card, Super Mario Brothers 3. Awesome game. Everybody loves it. Like it says, the biggest, most exciting Mario Brothers adventure yet. Flip it over. You got that pixel Mario flying with that tail. Next card, Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link. I never really got into the Zelda games. I heard it's pretty good. On the back, you got Link. This is a rare one, I think. Super Mario Bros. The Lost Levels. Yes, no, people know about it and they don't. I have a Mario Brothers game, like the All-Stars, and it has all of them on there, and then they have this one as well. Flip it over. You got, that's Luigi. You got Luigi. And it kind of looks like the 1-up, the green 1-up. Next card, Kirby's Adventure. I never really got into the Kirby's, but hey, whatever floats your boat. Kirby's Adventure. And you got Kirby on the back. So, that being said, card set, let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards in here. 13 cards. A 5-pin collector set. And then a limited edition gold cartridge with a stand. I think that's pretty good. It was like 60 bucks or so for this game, for this set. I think it's worth it. The only thing that I didn't like, I seen that if you ordered the game in Japan or something like that, you got the controllers. You got the limited edition controllers instead of the pin set and the cards. I wish I could have got those controllers, and those controllers go to the Wii, so that makes it even better. And you could have ordered it on Amazon, but you would have had to pay shipping, and it would have cost way more. But yeah, that's my unboxing of Nintendo World Championships NES Edition. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think.